That's a question many of you have probably typed into a search bar, just like I did. Maybe you're an aspiring author, wrestling with formatting your first novel. Perhaps you're a seasoned pro, tired of the endless struggle with Microsoft Word or other clunky desktop publishing software. Or maybe, just maybe, you've stumbled upon Atticus.io in a Facebook group, a YouTube ad, or a late-night rabbit hole of self-publishing forums. You've seen the sleek interface, heard the buzz about its ease of use, and now you're wondering, is this too good to be true? Is Atticus a legitimate solution for authors, or just another fleeting promise in the ever-evolving landscape of publishing tools? For years, authors have been stuck between a rock and a hard place when it comes to book formatting. On one side, you have the DIY route, word processors, which are notoriously finicky when it comes to professional book layouts. Trying to get your headings, chapter breaks, and page numbers to behave can feel like herding cats. Then there's the issue of exporting to different ebook formats, EPUB, MOBI, PDF, each with its own quirks and demands. It's a steep learning curve, often leading to frustration and a less-than-professional end product. On the other side, you have professional formatters. These are the unsung heroes of the publishing world, individuals who possess the arcane knowledge of InDesign or Vellum, meticulously crafting beautiful, print-ready and ebook-ready files. The results are undeniable. A polished, professional book that stands out. The drawback? Cost. Professional formatting can run anywhere from a few hundred to well over $1,000 per book. A significant investment for any author, especially those just starting out or working on a tight budget. Enter Atticus. Billed as an all-in-one writing and formatting tool, it promises to bridge this gap. It claims to offer the ease of use of a simple word processor with the power and flexibility needed to create professional-looking books for both print and digital distribution. It promises a unified workspace, allowing you to write your manuscript, format it, and export it in various formats, all within a single application. It sounds like the holy grail for independent authors. But is it? Let's dive deeper. First, let's talk about the company behind Atticus. It's developed by the same team that created Publisher Rocket, a highly respected and widely used keyword research tool for authors. This immediately lends a significant degree of credibility. Publisher Rocket is a legitimate and successful business that has consistently delivered value to the author community. This track record suggests that Atticus isn't just a fly-by-night operation looking to make a quick buck. They understand the author market, their pain points, and the tools they need to succeed. This isn't some anonymous startup. It's a known entity in the self-publishing space. Now, let's look at the product itself. Atticus operates as a web-based application, meaning you access it through your browser. This has several advantages. No software to install, automatic updates, and the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This cloud-based approach also facilitates real-time saving and collaboration features, though the latter is still in development for Atticus. The user interface of Atticus is undeniably clean and intuitive. It's designed with authors in mind, featuring a distraction-free writing environment. The left-hand panel provides a clear overview of your chapters and elements, making navigation a breeze. On the right, you have your formatting options. And this is where Atticus truly shines. Atticus offers a surprising array of formatting templates and customization options. You can choose from various chapter heading styles, adjust font choices, control line spacing, and even add decorative elements like ornamental breaks. For print books, you can easily set your trim size, margins, and even add front and back matter like title pages, copyright pages, and dedication pages with just a few clicks. The live preview feature is invaluable, allowing you to see exactly how your book will look as you make changes. This instant feedback loop dramatically reduces the guesswork and frustration often associated with formatting. One of the most powerful features of Atticus is its ability to export to multiple formats. With a single click, you can generate an EPUB file for most ebook retailers, a MOBI file for Kindle. Though Amazon is moving away from MOBI, EPUB is now preferred, and a print-ready PDF. This multi-format export capability is a massive time saver and eliminates the need for separate tools or manual conversions, which often introduce errors. The quality of these exported files is consistently high, producing professional-looking books that adhere to industry standards. Beyond formatting, Atticus is also developing into a robust writing tool. It offers goal tracking, word count monitoring, and even a Scrivener-like ability to rearrange chapters and scenes with ease. While it might not have the full suite of features found in dedicated writing software like Scrivener or Ulysses, it's certainly evolving in that direction, making it a compelling all-in-one solution for authors who prefer a single workspace. Of course, no tool is perfect, and Atticus is still under active development. There are features on their roadmap that many authors are eagerly awaiting, such as collaborative writing, more advanced custom styling options, and deeper integration with other author services. However, the development team has been transparent about their progress and is actively soliciting user feedback, which bodes well for the future of the platform. Their continuous updates and responsiveness to user needs indicate a commitment to making Atticus the best it can be. So, to answer the initial question, is Atticus a legit business? Absolutely. It's developed by a reputable company in the author space, offers a powerful and intuitive tool for writing and formatting, and is continuously evolving with the needs of authors in mind. For independent authors looking for a professional, affordable, and user-friendly solution to create stunning books, Atticus is a game-changer. It empowers authors to take control of their publishing journey, producing high-quality books without the steep learning curve of traditional software or the significant expense of professional formatters. It democratizes the publishing process, making professional-looking books accessible to everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.